Okay, today is day one of rebuilding, and I'm trying to go into the day with a much more stronger, positive outlook. Um, so, after losing Avery, I kind of had a little bit of a meltdown right after the holidays because I knew what that would mean for my sister. So, I've got some cleaning up to do so that I can make sure that everybody that counts on me um, can keep counting on me. So today, the first thing I need to do is prepare everybody's production schedules. Sapphire usually gets in here around 8:30 or 9, and she'll need to know what production work she needs to do. Um, Sapphire actually is um, pregnant right now. She's about 5 months pregnant, and the plan was for her to finish helping me launch the ambassador program, and then she was going to manage the whole thing and be able to move to working from home. But because of everything that's happened, she had to move back to helping with production, and the ambassador program just hasn't. We just haven't put time into it. So she's staying on production to help me get caught up, and then hopefully before baby's here, we'll get that ambassador program up and going. I also have to make the production schedules for the 3 girls that work out of state. The bead makers that work here locally come in and do their exchanges on Thursday, but all the ones that work out of state, I do earlier in the week so that we can coordinate products. I can send them supplies and they can send me finished products. So, for Ariana, I got to put a lot on her schedule because she's still, even though she doesn't live locally anymore, she's still my fastest bead maker. And I'm counting a lot on her right now. Becca needs a shipping label because I haven't got her set up to print her own labels yet. And I forgot to put monofilament in Madonna's package last week, so I have to ship her some of that. We've got all the orders from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that I haven't started working on yet. We're behind on pre-packing everything, so I have to pack things as orders come in. So Tyson comes in around 9, and I'm going to try and get as much done as I can before he gets here to do shipping. Tyson is my oldest son, and he's actually in college right now, so his work schedule fluctuates. Normally, he's on the technical side, IT development, and programming because he's a genius with that stuff. But my second oldest, Logan, and I have never worked well together. And so around October, in November, he got a job elsewhere. So he was my backup shipping guy. So right now, Tyson's helping with shipping in addition to his other duties. Uh, let's see. We've got a couple of big back orders we've got to finish. I think we'll be able to get them out today. And let's see. Oh, five back orders. We have 5 back orders and 2 large custom orders. So I have to assign who is doing the custom orders. That'll just be part of doing the production schedule. Um, I need to coordinate with Tanner, who's in charge of all our professional filming, and decide if we're going to be doing any big shoots for January. Um, him and his team have been amazing and understanding with everything that's going on. Um, I've got to finish shipping the ambassador boxes because we've got about half of them out and the other half is still needing to go out. We have the promotional pendants that we made for sparkly.co coming out in those boxes. So I need to make sure that sparkly.co is ready to handle the orders that come out when the ambassadors start talking about that. Also need to, I've got a meeting with Ariana today. So Ariana has been with me for about 3 years at this point, and she's one of my ride or dies. And right before the holidays and everything fell apart, she moved to Northern Idaho with her boyfriend. So the plan was to keep continuing to test this manufacturing from a distance to see how it worked with her because I know I can and trust her. And but it took a lot longer to get her and some of the other girls set up with having to maintain so many stock levels and invest in more products than just at one location. It's been more expensive than I would have liked, and it's in addition to some of the other things that happened, it has eaten into a lot of our savings. So we're kind of hurting. And so the deal I made with Ariana is that I'm going to hyper speed push her through the mentoring program. I've kind of been coaching her on small things here and there, like trying to get her business up and going, but I've been perfecting the mentoring program, and it was pretty much about ready to launch anyways. Um, but so what I did was I spent 40 minutes with her on Friday, and we got almost everything she needs set up. We got her website, MailChimp, we started her eBay store, all the things that she's going to need. And then today we're going to connect them. I have a girl named Rachel that does like independent contractor work and helps me with the Shopify stuff. And then Tyson will add and connect Zapier. So once all of that's set up, she has the framework that it took me 8 years to figure out how to quickly build a massive emailing list of people that want to buy the products you sell. So the plan is she's going to create a custom mix using all the bead techniques that I've taught her, and I'm going to launch it on my mailing list and to all my ambassadors so that she can get some sales, because even though she's working hard and trying to help me keep beads coming, it's a little hard to pay her sometimes. And so she and I are going to dig ourselves out of this together. So I've got to prepare for that meeting, and I have to prepare for my meeting tomorrow with Sparkly.co. They're a little slower to get things up and running just because the communication's been harder, and they're closer in age to me, so the technical stuff's a little harder for my age group, where Ari and Sapphire and all my kids, they're that's just you grow up with that stuff anymore. I've got to get all of the supplies for Ariane, our eBay listing manager, prepared, and I have to take them up to her today because she works from home because of her son who has a heart condition. And so I've always done the deliveries for her, usually on Sundays, but today it's going to be a Monday. And I did cut her hours, but she's been amazing about it. So she's just keeping auctions going up to keep us going. And then once I finish all of that, I have to finish listing all the Valentine's products and send out a MailChimp email for them. We've got lots and lots of videos and content that I need to go through and see if any of it is usable, because those kind of things are far more effective at marketing. And we've put all the work and time and money into making the content. It's just been hard to have the heart to post some of it. So, some of it involved Avery, and so obviously those ones probably won't be used. But that's my schedule for today, and I'm not going to cry today, and I'm going to get shit done. Thanks for cheering me on.